Let's head down I-75. Bowling Green at home hosting Akron. First quarter, Falcons strike first. Matt McDonald to Tyrone Broden, a 40-yard touchdown, 7-0 BGSU. Falcons looking to extend the lead, but they come up short. Zips with a big stuff at the 1-yard line. Keeps this one within reach. Falcons up 6 at the half. Akron comes out firing in the second half. Third-string quarterback Zach Gibson providing the spark. Kanata Mumpfield hauls it in here, putting the Zips up 1 point. BGSU looking to retake the lead, but Jason Patterson coughs it up. Akron is on it, leading to another Zip score, and Akron runs away with it 35-20. The final score as BG falls at home. Plenty of lessons learned for the Falcons, as Britt Del Barba explains from Bowling Green.
The Bowling Green defense came to play early as the Falcons scored the first 13 points of the contest, highlighted by quarterback Matt McDonald's 40-yard touchdown pass to Tyrone Broden. Akron found the end zone in the second off a 1-yard touchdown run by running back Blake Hester. And from there is a defensive battle to finish out the first half in favor of the Falcons. The Zips, though, flipped the script in the third, putting up 3 consecutive touchdowns. Third-string quarterback Zach Gibson came in and led the Zips to the 35-20 win, completing 14 of 15 for 177 yards. For the Falcons, it's still a learning experience as this young team is figuring out how to win football games as they drop to 2-4 on the season.
We're an improved group because our way of doing business has definitely changed, and I'm proud of them for that. But we still don't know how to win football games yet, and winning football games throughout the week, you know, everything matters. And you know, I watched all week long us do some things in practice that were really good, and it showed up. It showed up today like no other. And then I watched the same stuff happen that caught us. And it gets old for all of us right now, sitting up here and the same song and dance, but it's the truth. I said it to our team. It's the truth. We're a young football team that does some really good things, but we don't know how to win yet.
We had opportunities there to put the game away early, and we didn't. And we just got to continue to get better at that and continue to work at that.
Attention to detail matter, preparation matters, and self-inflicted wounds hurts. So that's what we learned from today. And like I said earlier, we're close as a young team, but we just got to keep stacking days.
I mean, it's stuff that comes up in practice, and it's just constantly teaching us that every single rep matters in practice because it translates into the game. And we just really got to treat practice like the games, and then we'll have better results on Saturdays.
Up next, the Falcons hit the road to take on Northern Illinois. Reporting from Bowling Green, Britt Del Barba, BCSN.